Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? Go 100 miles per hour. Little do you know